I proudly present you the Safe Beijing Air Cleaner 2000. Safe Beijing. So this is the Beijing Air Quality Index. And there you see that the air is polluted. So we have to clean the air in Beijing. This little program measures the air quality, and now we have only 20 seconds left to see how it actually works. Let's check if it hits the center. Yeah! Perfect shot! So this is the Beijing Air Cleaner 2000. As you can see, it is working. Let's wait again 20 seconds for the next shot. And it hits the center again. Well, a little bit at the top actually. Maybe if you hold it higher. And wait 20 seconds. Yeah, perfect. Okay.